Every pearl begins its journey inside a living oyster. After months of cultivation, the mature oysters are finally ready. Only healthy, mature oysters move forward.
Careful selection protects the quality of the final pearls.
The first cleaning removes everything gathered during their time at sea. Each shell is cleaned without damaging the valuable interior. Now the harvest moves from the water into controlled processing.
Inside, every batch begins a carefully controlled transformation.
From this moment, the harvest becomes a traceable production batch.
The measured harvest is ready for its first factory inspection.
Inside the facility, every oyster enters a controlled processing environment. Traceability begins before the first oyster is opened.
A controlled wash removes the last traces of the marine environment.
Now, trained eyes begin separating promising oysters from damaged ones. Consistent sizing helps the next stages work with greater precision. Damaged material is removed before it can affect the process.
A final rinse prepares the shells for careful opening.
Removing surface moisture gives workers a cleaner working surface. Everything is organized before the delicate work begins. Beyond this doorway lies the most delicate stage of the pearl journey. Now the hidden interior of the oyster is carefully revealed.
Inside, every oyster tells a different story. With precision, the newly recovered pearl is separated from its host. The delicate surfaces are cleaned before their true quality can be judged.
Gentle cleaning reveals the natural surface beneath the residue. Each pearl is now ready for its first close examination. Tiny surface differences begin separating ordinary pearls from exceptional ones. Diameter becomes one of the first measurable signs of value.
Color and overtone add another layer to the pearl's identity.
From here, human judgment meets controlled precision.
Automated vision now measures details too small for a quick human glance.
Shape is one of the most important characteristics in pearl grading.
The most captivating pearls reflect light with remarkable depth. Surface quality determines how clean and refined the finished pearl will appear.
Precision sizing creates uniform groups for the finishing stages. Even a tiny difference in weight becomes part of the production record. Gentle automation keeps precision high while protecting the delicate nacre.
Time.
Now individual pearls become carefully matched production groups.
A gentle finishing process brings out the natural brilliance of the nacre.
The pearls are clean, graded, and ready for their final precision checks.
For premium pearls, consistency between individual pieces is essential.
Even subtle differences in color can change the character of a matched set.
Shape is judged not only by size, but by balance and symmetry.
A final, gentle polish prepares the surface for its finished appearance.
Under controlled light, the pearl's natural brilliance becomes unmistakable.
Only the most consistent pearls enter the premium finishing stream. The final rinse removes residue, while controlled air leaves the surface perfectly clean.
Every premium pearl receives another careful human inspection.
Precision matching turns individual pearls into a carefully balanced collection.
Before these pearls leave production, their quality must be independently verified. Before packaging, every finished batch faces a final quality examination.
Every test begins by confirming exactly which batch is being examined.
Magnification exposes imperfections invisible to the naked eye. Luster is carefully evaluated under consistent lighting conditions. Exact dimensions confirm that the grading system performed consistently.
Weight provides another precise measurement of batch consistency. Controlled comparison confirms the consistency of color across the batch.
One final inspection ensures no visible defect escapes the process. Once every requirement is satisfied, the batch receives its final approval. With quality confirmed, the finished pearls can finally enter the packaging line.
The final stage turns carefully graded pearls into protected, finished goods. Soft, protective compartments keep every pearl secure during handling.
Every finished package remains linked to its verified production batch. The finished packages receive one last visual check before leaving production. Protection becomes essential as the pearls prepare for their journey beyond the factory. Sealed cartons are organized for safe storage and efficient dispatch. In the warehouse, every shipment remains organized and traceable. From controlled storage, the finished pearls begin their journey to customers and jewelry makers.
From living oysters to finished pearls, every stage has demanded patience and precision.
And this is how modern factories produce pearls from start to finish.